Hello, Excellence family. This is Kristina Suengas, Agent Concierge for both mortgage and title, and it is Mortgage Monday. And I am pleased to be here with Madeleine King, our loan officer, who is going to give us some updates. You may have heard on our webinar last week that there have been some changes to the Hometown Heroes program. So we're here to learn more about how it's expanded and how it can help your buyers. Hey, Madeleine, good morning. How are you?
I'm doing well, Christina. How are you?
Doing great. Ready to kick off the week.
Absolutely. And hello, Excellence family. I am happy to be here. I am looking forward to giving you this terrific news. Like Christina mentioned, we have had some changes to the Hometown Heroes program. There are some great new expansions that are actually able to provide this program to a lot more buyers now. So the main and most important thing that is now the program is open to all occupations. So it is no longer just for those serving the community, which was a great, option to begin with. But it's nice that now all occupations will be eligible for the program. The only requirement on that aspect is that it must be a Florida-based employer. So you can be in any occupation, but it must be a Florida-based employer, which is terrific because this is a Florida program. So we're excited about that.
Yeah.
And other good news is that the amount that they are now providing is increased as well. You can now get up to $35,000 as a deferred silent second. So it is fantastic because it really opens up the opportunity for first-time home buyers to get into their property sooner so that they don't have to wait to be able to get together their down payment. So we're super excited about that. And it launches in July. So we're already working with with loans under those new specifics. We simply cannot lock a rate yet, but technically its official launch is in July.
I mean, this is incredible. 35,000, as long as you're working for a Florida company. Silent second. Can you remind us again, what are the parameters? What does that mean, a silent second?
Absolutely. So what that is, it is basically a grant that's given in the place of your down payment and or to help you with closing costs. And it's a lien that's placed on the property. It's only repayable once you either sell the property or refinance the property, or should you not make it, or should you move out and it no longer be your primary. So the program does call for it to be a primary residence and a first-time home buyer. And it will never be required you to pay this loan. It's not even counted in your ratios because it is a silent second and it's a deferred payment. It doesn't accrue any interest. So basically it's free money, and then it does get paid back at the time of either your sale, a refinance, or should you no longer live in the property.
That is just phenomenal. I wish I would have had that when I was buying my house for the first time. $35,000 with no repayment unless you sell. That's incredible. And
so there are a couple of deviations from that, which are, I should say, exceptions, where if you are a veteran, you do not have to be a first-time home buyer. Exactly. So that allows for the veterans to be able to, get into this program as well. And not all buyers need to be first-time home buyers. So if you have a co-borrower that is previously owned a property, then as long as one of the buyers is a first-time home buyer, you're able to qualify for the program.
You can't beat that. I mean, I'm going to say something sounds too good to be true. Is there anything we need to know about property restrictions or any downfall to this program that you could see?
Well, there really isn't any downfall to the program, but there are income limits that have to be adhered to, and they're by county. There are also loan limits that have to, be adhered to as well as by county. The property eligibilities include a single family, a townhouse, condo, 2-unit, like a duplex, as long as the borrower is going to live in one of the units. And we do have the program open for manufactured homes as well. And that, however, those do have to be under a conventional loan type. They will not do them for FHA. So They're required
Okay.
to be a conventional loan. And the mobile home must be newer than 1994.
Okay, that's important to know. That's good to know too. But a wide variety of property options there, sizable amount as a silent second. I mean, I'd say let's get started on this right away. Let's take advantage of
Absolutely.
this, right?
Absolutely. We're really looking forward to it.
Well, Madeleine, I really appreciate you taking the time today. Please know, agents, you can reach out to us at any time. You can call us at our support line, 305-595-7355, the option for mortgage. You can reach out to us by email, support@excellencemortgage.com. Or lastly, if you're ready to move forward or just run a scenario by Madeleine, best thing to do is to use our booking tool, excellencemortgage.com/apply. Book a time on the calendar and get the process started. Your client can even start to apply. Very convenient. They're ready for the appointment and we can move forward. So please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to support you, make your job easier. Madeleine, thank you so much for supporting our agents, always at the ready to help us out.
Of course.
We
My
really
pleasure,
appreciate
Christina.
you. Thank you so much for taking the time. I wish you all a fantastic week ahead, and please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help. Take care, everyone. Bye.
Have a good week, everyone.